What's good? It's Chigozi. It's Wednesday, August 21st, 2019. And look at Elon Musk participating in some more NASA propaganda. I mean, are you looking at this page and seeing Elon Musk's name? You see NASA, and then you see them update this at 10:58. So first off, that should let you know that Tech2 firstpost.com is from the Freemasons. If this was another piece of propaganda, even with Donald Trump, updated 10:58, I might have to do a little bit more research just to confirm. But guys, I'm sorry. These people are putting out NASA, Elon Musk, SpaceX propaganda at 10:58, Freemasonry equals 58 and 158. And this video is just to show you, again, first off, this is being published today, August 21st. Remember, 2 years ago, they had that total solar eclipse. Saturn equals 21. It's a very big moon eclipse, sun day, obviously. And then Elon Musk is participating inside some distraction from NASA. And then people will still leave comments saying, oh, well, really no one here has left these type of comments, but I think it's more so other places saying Elon Musk is, nothing to do with NASA. SpaceX and NASA are different. I mean, I'm just like, well, what are you talking about? SpaceX, NASA, Tesla is the same exact organization run by the Freemasons. Apophis, see that says that, that's coded. But I just wanted to show you this piece. That and look when he did this, August 18th, 2019. Great name. Wouldn't worry about this particular one, but a big rock will hit Earth eventually, and we currently have no defense. More fear-mongering from Elon Musk. August 18th, 2019. I want to see how many days from his birthday he did that. And remember, he was born June 28th. Because again, space equals 28, and Saturn's the sixth planet from the sun. So June 28th. Isn't he still 47 right now? Or is he 48 now? I don't know. I don't feel like looking him up. But June 28th till today. See, sun equals 54. It's a Saturn, sun, moon ritual. Eclipse, sun, moon. You get it? Moon also equals 21. Sun 54. 54 days from his birthday. He's participating in his asteroid propaganda. Scottish Rite equals 75. New World Order equals 75. He's always in the propaganda by the numbers of Scottish Rite Freemasonry. 75. It's also a span of 55 days. Your God Satan number. Sacrifice 55, talking about an asteroid. Oh wait, that's when today, it's still important. They're publishing this today, so this is valid. They're publishing this today, but I want to show you from the 18th. And it's not me making things work. They published it today for a reason from his birthday, but you might even get a hotter riddle from the 18th. That's exactly when he said it on this Bavarian Illuminati day. And remember, sun equals 18. 51 days. This is perfect. This is the first pattern for Elon Musk I've been teaching. I've shown on this channel how I predicted him last year. I said, look out for Tesla stuff on May 1st because it's 5/1. But what happened, there was a SpaceX fail launch on May 10th, which is still 5/10. You drop the zero numerology. And then since then, I've said, okay, today's the day with 51 numerology, looking for Tesla propaganda, SpaceX propaganda. It happens all the time because Freemason equals 51 and conspiracy equals 51. And NASA, Tesla, SpaceX propaganda and distraction is always by the pattern for Freemasonry, space, which is the same, and conspiracy, which is pretty much the same too. Conspiracy 147 like Freemason. Revelation 121, Blood Sacrifice 121. It's a span of 1 month, 22 days. Freemason equals 122 and Francis Bacon. 7 weeks, 2 days. Oh my, are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this? The 51s are very, very, very important, as I just talked about. But look at this. This is not just Tesla or SpaceX. This is actual NASA propaganda, as in NASA saying, oh, they just rebutted what he said. They're participating in this. 7 weeks and 3 days. I said there's going to be a stronger riddle from when he said it from his birthday. And it's perfect. 7 weeks and 3 days from Elon Musk's birthday. He's coming out saying this shit. And what is this? This is propaganda from NASA. NASA equals 73. Are you seeing this? Always by this pattern every single time. Unbelievable. What an actor. Elon Musk is a theatrical puppet. NASA, 73. Again, 28. Elon Musk born on the 28th. Musk equals 44 like space. This guy is a pawn. He's a contrived Manchurian actor. That's what he is. Net worth. Oh my God, you're seeing his net worth? Is his net worth really $19.3 billion? That's the 44th prime. Musk equals 44. Space 44. 193 is the 44th prime number, 19.3 billion. We just saw in my cancer video how that cancer governor, the governor who's participating in the ritual, is doing stuff 193 days from his birthday. See what I'm saying? The 44th prime, Cancer 44. We're seeing it now with Elon Musk, $19.3 billion net worth. See, June 28th in 71. I keep forgetting this guy's supposedly South African. I mean, this guy's just an actor. It doesn't matter where he's from. South Africa, London, England, California, Bel Air, doesn't matter. Will Smith is an actor for the Freemasons as well. The Fresh Prince of Bel Air. This is the fresh actor from Bel Air. Elon Musk. He's with the Royal Society. Royal equals, doesn't Royal equal 71, like how he's born in 71? Today's featured article, Hillary Clinton. Look at this. This actor in today's featured article. That's awesome. I wonder what today's numerology is for this to happen. I don't want to be distracted by this. I do like how they just tell you she's born in 1947. Her birthday is October 24th, if I recall correctly, or 26th. It's in October. She's another actor for the Freemasons. October 26th, yep. And remember, she's running to be the 45th president. When you read out 45, you get 126. And I know some people ask, like, for tutorials, just to let you know, that's why I like to jump to these other examples, to show you other examples of how this works, to show you what they're doing. When you write out 45, again, it equals 126. She's going to be the 45th president. She's born in 47. President equals 47. Trump equals 47. Government 47. She's still a government actor. I mean, it's still possible for her to be president at some point in the future. Even, 2 terms from now, 3 terms from now, I don't know. So you see how he was born June 28th. You see how he's participating in this propaganda by the numbers. I mean, that's just another successful video. Doomsday asteroids like Apophis represent rare opportunities for planetary defense scientists. And that means they represent rare opportunities for by-the-numbers propaganda events, which is why I have to make this video. These are rare. Shouldn't that sink in? If these are rare things, why is it always by the same code? That just shows you right here, this is a ritual. If it's supposed to be common, this shouldn't all be by the numbers. Apophis is going to have the same, either the same pattern or it'll be sacrificial, death, killing, murder numbers. But by the same pattern, I mean, Freemasonry, space, NASA. But I'm thinking it's going to be death, killing, murder, sacrifice because it's a negative asteroid. Oh, no, we get Masonry exactly. You see? We exactly get Masonry. I mean, I just don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. They brand... So and this is how we learn. It doesn't even matter what the negativity of the event is. They love to brand the space program with Masonry. I don't know what else to show you. Masonry equals 105, 33... 84 and 39. We all know how to do gematria here by now. If you don't know, you can go look it up. Apophis, you see the same thing. 84, 39, 105, 33. They just mix and matched the ordinals. And they even do a little dance with it. When you reverse the alphabetical order, Masonry is 84 and 39. Now, when you don't reverse the alphabetical order, Apophis is 84 and 39. Likewise, they do it with the ordinal as well, you see? It's a game, a riddle. This is undeniable. To me, when they do this is even more important, in my opinion, than the perfect overlap. Whereas where Apophis and Masonry, they're exact same. And all the ciphers too. Because it's like, that's really solid too, but this you can kind of see how they're just playing a game with it. You know what I mean? It's just unbelievable. When I said it's going to be by the numbers for Masonry, for space, and if not that, it's going to be sacrificial numbers because it's talking about a deadly asteroid, Doomsday. See, rare. So a rare opportunity but it's still summed to the same thing as Masonry. What does that tell you? That means it's always by this code. And again, Freemasonry equals 158 and 58. At 10:58, they update this piece of propaganda. See, guys, they're using. I can't believe this. And I saw this God of Chaos earlier. I'm glad we got here because I saw this piece earlier and skimmed it. Guys, they are using SpaceX, Tesla, Elon Musk, and NASA, and Chaos, and God, all in the same sentence. But mainly SpaceX, Tesla, and NASA. Are you seeing this? For how many years now have I been telling you that NASA, Tesla, SpaceX are all the same? They all put out Freemasonic propaganda by the same pattern. It's the same exact government organization running it all. The federal government, which is a one world order, Zionist Jew, Scottish Rite, Jesuit order. And you see them all being used here, not only in the same sentence, but they're talking about a colossal god of chaos, Asteroid. And we're talking about 2019 this is happening. Chaos equals 19. Order out of chaos is a Freemason's motto. I mean, this is just so obvious. That's why so many people leave comments, man, I can't believe people aren't waking up to this. Yeah, I can't believe it either, because these are such clear patterns. Everyone who watches these videos sees the patterns. I mean, there's just no excuse. You guys aren't random people, but if you kind of think about it, in a sense, before you found this channel, I didn't choose anyone to come here. You randomly found my channel, found my video, and you got it. So if you're just another person who can understand this, there's no excuse for people not to get what's going on. I mean, look at this. Colossal God of Chaos equals 189 like Freemasonic. It equals 189 like Freemasonic. And God of Chaos equals 93 like Saturn, 48 like Freemason, 177, 93, 48 like propaganda, 42 like Saturn, 93 like Saturn, New World Order 177. And of course, Chaos with those other numbers. God 26 like Mason. My video's about to run out of time. I know I had 14 minutes to make this, but it's fine. We're done here. I mean, what else do you need to see? It's coded propaganda. Potentially hazardous. We'll quickly see this in Big Rock. We'll see if we can get these in, and then we can be done. See, it's by the same pattern. Watch. See? Space equals 91. Potentially hazardous, 91. Potentially hazardous, 107, the 28th prime number. NASA 28, space 28. So space equals 91 and 28, like potentially hazardous, 91, 107, the 28th prime. See? Same pattern. Throughout all the propaganda. Are you seeing what they're doing? It's so easy to see. And then Big Rock. Finally. What a good video. Guys, these are some of my favorite videos to make because it's always by the same coding. Florida has these same exact numbers in the same exact order. If you type in Florida, you get the same exact overlap. So if they ever say it hit Florida, or, it coasted over Florida or some bullshit, you know why. But again, Florida as well as with the death, killing, murder type of pattern. Death, killing, murder, 38, killing, 43. So they're using this Floridian exact pattern for Big Rock. So that means there's something more to that I'm not seeing. Because guys, there's a reason why Florida has these 4 numbers. It's not an accident Florida sums to 65. It's not an accident sums to 38. Nor is an accident it sums to 124 or 43. There's a reason why Florida has these numbers. There's an occult pattern behind that order, and they use that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Elon Musk is a theatrical actor. 31 the 11th prime. 13/4 like Tisha B'Av. NASA predicts close encounter. See, a close encounter destructive number, Tisha B'Av, 13/4, you see? 11 foot, 11 the master number, 31 11th prime, space 20, or NASA, not NASA, Masonic 29. All right, I'm done. Peace out.